aboard the NOAA ship Nancy Foster. We are conducting a research project for about 2 weeks. I'm serving as chief scientist, and we are out here to collect data about Gray's Reef National Marine Sanctuary. During this cruise, we have several missions. Our primary mission is to capture grouper and snapper and surgically implant transmitters in their abdomen so that we can track their movements. We're interested in knowing where they move around Gray's Reef National Marine Sanctuary so we can better protect them. Some of the other missions of our cruise include collecting arc shells, which is sort of a mussel, and we are going to analyze those to look at the tissues of the mussels to see what contaminants may be in them. We have a project that we're undertaking to look at marine debris in the sanctuary. We're collecting samples from different places in the sanctuary where we have repeatedly surveyed, and we're trying to understand where marine debris accumulates and perhaps understand why and where it's coming from so we can address the sources of debris in the sanctuary. And then the idea of the multi-beam is to collect data on what the habitat looks like so we can understand what the features are in the sanctuary and around the sanctuary. It's basically a mapping effort. If we're able to finish our primary studies, we will travel outside of the sanctuary and look for lionfish. Lionfish are an invasive species that have taken over all along the East Coast into the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, and we're trying to survey them in this area so we understand what kind of impacts this invasive species may be having in Georgia waters. Designating areas as marine sanctuaries recognizes that they're special and unique places, and we definitely need to protect our special places in the ocean. And we only have a very small amount of our ocean that's set aside and protected in these ways. And so these areas are very important, and we spend a lot of time trying to understand what's happening in them and how we can protect them. And that's exactly what this cruise is about, is to try to understand what's happening in Gray's Reef National Marine Sanctuary so that we can better manage it. And every year we are lucky enough to get ship time aboard this vessel when we can bring together a concentration of scientists and really spend 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, studying this special place. So every year we come back out here with a team of people and try to learn more and more about the resources, the fish, the sponges, everything, the water quality, so that we can protect it.